3, 2, 1, action. Action. Action.
Yeah, I have to do my blanket. This is Edge of Science Field, and today we're going to be doing another egg hatching, but this one is going to take 3 days, and that's not too long.
Yay! So can you show everybody the egg that we're going to be hatching in the water?
It's from Nana Quick.
That's right. It's from Nana and Cookie Grams, and what's very special about this egg is they got it for Scientist Edge during their vacation. That egg is from Australia, and we don't know what's going to be coming out of that egg, do we?
And this is my blanket. Say hi to Blanket.
All right, everybody say hi to his blanket. Hi, blanket. Okay, so Scientist Edge, why don't you go ahead and put the egg in the beaker?
Okay.
No, beaker. That's the measuring cup. All right, so why don't you put blanket down and then gently pour water into the beaker. Oh, there you go. There we go. Fill her up. All right, and to our audience, can you guys guess what might be in that egg? It could be a dinosaur, it could be a unicorn. We don't know what's in it, but we'll find out on the next episode.
I know what is in it.
What do you think is in it?
It's a bird, and it has a little beak right here.
You think it's a bird with a little beak?
Yeah, but I think it's Nacho.
You think it's Nacho, you're a parakeet. Okay. Well, we'll find out on the next episode because this is part 1, and in part 2 we're gonna find out what's inside the mystery egg from Australia. Is
Yes, but it's gonna take 3 days.
I know, that's why it's gonna be on the next episode,
Yes.
which is on Wednesday. So we're gonna have the time. So Scientist Ed, is there anything you want to tell your audience before we leave?
This is Edgeworth Science with, and today we will be doing nothing.
Okay. All right. Take care, everybody.